In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Supabase with Lovable AI in just 5 minutes. Our journey today is all about making these two platforms work together seamlessly, so let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log in to lovable.dev. If this is your first time here, make sure you have your account credentials handy. This is the initial step, and it keeps everything secure and personalized for you. Once you're in, head over to your project. Each project in Lovable AI acts as a hub for your work, so locate the one where you'd like to set up the integration with Supabase. Opening your project is straightforward. Just click on it and you'll be taken to your project's dashboard. In previous versions, you might have seen a lightning icon in the top right corner labeled Manage Supabase. However, please note that due to some updates, Supabase management is now under the Cloud tab. This change was made to streamline operations and bring cloud management tools together in one place for easier navigation and a better user experience. Now let's click on the Cloud tab. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your project's interface. Clicking on this will open up the new panel where you can manage cloud services, including Supabase. This is where the integration magic happens. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options you see. With the Cloud tab open, you'll want to enable cloud services. This is typically as simple as toggling a switch. Enabling this feature makes it possible for Lovable AI to connect to and utilize Supabase effectively. Keep an eye out for a prompt that asks if you'd like to allow this integration. Click Allow to proceed. By doing so, you're granting the necessary permissions for this connection, ensuring that data and services can flow between Lovable AI and Supabase without any hitches. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully set up the integration between Supabase and Lovable AI. This setup opens the door to a multitude of possibilities, allowing you to leverage Supabase's powerful backend services seamlessly within your Lovable AI projects. Whether you're managing databases, authentication, or even API functions, this integration positions you to make the most of both platforms' capabilities, all while keeping things streamlined and efficient. I hope this guide has made the setup process clear and easy to follow. Don't hesitate to explore the different tabs and settings in both Lovable AI and Supabase to fully harness their combined power. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing what amazing things you create with these tools integrated into your workflow.